Okay, continuing on. Okay, so it's number 11 says, what is the equation of line K shown above? So you have to refer back to that graph, okay? Or you can refer back to your previous answers. You identified the slope of line K, and you identified the y-intercept of line K. And so you have an equation called the slope-intercept equation, which is y equals mx plus b. So my slope is 1/3, my y-intercept is 2. So my equation is y equals 1/3 x plus 2. And you're done. What is the equation of line L? Okay, well you identified the slope of line L and you identified the y-intercept of line L. So this time we're using -3/4 and 0. So if I have y equals mx plus b, then that means I have y equals -3/4 x plus 0. But in algebra, in math, when they have a plus 0 there, it's standing, it has value, but you don't have to write it in the equation. So we can simplify this to y equals -3/4 x. Okay, and that completes that very long problem. Now, number 13 says, given point Z is at -2, 6 with a slope of 3, what is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form? So remember, anytime they give you a point, this is x comma y, and your slope is m. And you have your equation, y equals mx plus b. So we're solving for b. So my y value is 6. My m value is -3. My x value is -2 plus b. Okay, if you have a parentheses times another parentheses, remember that means multiplication. So -3 times -2 is 6. So 6 equals 6 plus b. And then I subtract 6 to solve for b. So b equals 0. So here again, my b value, my y-intercept is 0. So I just need my slope. So my equation is y equals -3x. Last question, given on this page, given point Z is at -2, 6 with a slope of -3, what is the equation of the line in point slope form? Okay, if you are in my regular class, we didn't cover point slope, but if you are in my pre-AP, you need to know this. Okay, so it's the equation for point slope is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So this is y minus y1, which is 6. Your slope is -3, x minus a -2. So when you simplify that, it's y minus 6 equals, remember minus a negative is a positive. So that's -3x minus 6. So then you have to add 6 to both sides. So then y is equal to -3x still.